Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reacting to BTS's Airplane Part 2 comeback show. It's a live performance. I already checked out Singularity, I know I'm late, and Fake Love, but in Singularity I talked about why I'm late and I rented for 10 minutes because of my story to their concert. So I'm not gonna go into details with you guys in this video, but if you guys wanna hear me talk and hear my story, you guys, I'll put the links down below to the video that I actually did talk about it, which was the Singularity one. So you guys can go check out the first 10 minutes of me renting if you guys like. If not, let's just get this started. It's okay. I already know what the song sounds like because I checked out the album as soon as it came out, but I skipped Fake Love and Singularity so I can react to them, but I listened to the other songs. Um, I really like this song. This song is the second part, I'm guessing, to J-Hope, the and I saw like an interview about how this song was like it like inspired, they got inspired by like some like Spanish songs and like Havana, because they we know BTS loves that Havana song and I love it too. So yeah, and it says lyrics by and composed by other people, and then I'm gonna talk about the one that's important, which is RM, Hitman Bang, Suga, J-Hope. So Suga, I know, Suga, you're talented. You're good at writing songs. So, duh. Anyways, let's just get this started. Sorry, I'm just really Suga's my main bias, so my ultimate bias. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. Here we go. So excited for the choreo. Oh my god. Okay. Excuse you, Cookie. That was hot. Yes. That voice. Yes, we. Oh, what's with them and being? That's so cool. Yes, Jin and Yapman. Yes. Yes, choreo. Oh, oh, Jin, don't. Those outfits though, they all look so daddy, like daddy. All of them. Yes. Oh, choreo. Props to whoever came with the choreo. I love you. Please, Jimin, please. Sugar. I even felt more for this song. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. No. I want to go to their concert. You see, this is the reason why I didn't react to them. This is the fucking reason why I didn't want to react to them, because it makes me even more sad that I don't get to go to their concert. Like, especially with this song. I feel like this choreo is my favorite choreo by BTS. Really, this is my favorite choreo by BTS, at least when it comes to like their live performance. But oh my god, this and that they're all one of their old songs. What was it called? Oh my god, I can't think of the song right now. These two are like, yes, but really, this song, this visual made me even fall more in love with the song. They all look so good, like daddy, yes. I feel like this comeback for me personally is Jimin's time. I mean, Jimin isn't like, it's mostly we because he did the comeback trailer, but I feel like Jimin has been doing a lot of unnecessary things that made me like go like, no, please don't, because all my attention needs to go to Suga because he's my ultimate bias. I mean, all of them. I'm gonna pay attention to all of them, but you have that one bias that he's your bias. I mean, what else can you do? But I mean, Jimin's my second bias with his voice. But his voice is a separate bias. But he's been doing unnecessary things, and I don't know what's wrong with him, but I love it, and I closed my eyes because he was showing some skin, and I can't have that because, like, no. But another thing that I wanted to say that I forgot right now. What else was I gonna say? I don't remember. Maybe it's gonna come to my head, but I loved their like I said, choreo. So like when they passed like the microphone to each other, and like how they started it, and everything is just so amazing. Oh, I was gonna talk about their voices, like that humming kind of thing that they did towards the end. Like, yes, I don't know if it was only one person. I saw that Cookie do it, and then Jin do it, and then I saw like V, and then I kind of heard Jimin. So I don't know, maybe all of them were humming at the same time, but I freaking loved it. I love this comeback. I love this song. I'm just so sad that I don't get to go see them, but I'm not gonna talk about that. You guys can go check out my reaction to Singularity. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if this is one of your favorite choreos, and yeah, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.